Hello and welcome to this channel, and if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. In this video we are discussing about Spring Framework questions. So first, what bean scopes does Spring support? So the Spring Framework supports the 5 scopes, 3 of which are available only if you use a web-aware application context. Singleton. This scopes the bean definition to a single instance per Spring IOC container. Prototype. This scopes a single bean definition to have any number of object instances. Request. This scopes a bean definition to an HTTP request, only valid in the context of a web-aware Spring application context. Session. This scopes a bean definition to an HTTP session, only valid in the context of a web-aware Spring application context. Global session. This scopes a bean definition to a global HTTP session, only valid in the context of a web-aware Spring application context. What is the default scope of bean in Spring Framework? The default scope of bean is singleton for Spring Framework. So are singleton beans thread safe in Spring Framework? No, singleton beans are not thread safe in Spring Framework. So explain bean life cycle in Spring Framework. So the sequence of a bean life cycle in Spring. First, instantiate. First, the Spring container finds the bean's definition from the XML file and instantiates the bean. Then populate properties. Using the dependency injection, Spring populates all of the properties as specified in the bean definition. Set bean name. If the bean implements bean name aware interface, Spring passes bean's ID to set bean name method. Set bean factory. If bean implements bean factory aware interface, Spring passes the bean factory to set bean factory method. Pre-initialization, also called post process of the bean. If there are any bean post processors associated with the bean, Spring calls post processor before initialization method. Initialize bean. If the bean implements initializing bean after property set method is called. If the bean has init method declaration, the specified initialization method is called post initialization. If there are any bean post processors associated with the bean, then their post process after initialization method will be called. Ready to use. Now the bean is ready to use by the application. So this was a brief discussion on Spring Framework. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.